The biggest mistake beginners make with terrariums is choosing the wrong plants. Avoid a moldy, dying mess by learning the critical first step. Before building, choose your terrarium type, closed or open. Closed terrariums work best for humidity-loving plants like moss, Fittonia, and small ferns because moisture recycles through condensation. Open terrariums suit dry air plants such as many succulents and cacti, where airflow matters more than humidity. Gather your core materials before you start so the build stays clean and stress-free. A glass vessel, small pebbles or LECA for drainage, activated charcoal, sphagnum moss or mesh barrier, quality potting mix, and your selected plants. Step 1 is drainage. Add a bottom layer of pebbles or expanded clay, usually about 1 to 2 inches, depending on container size. This creates a reservoir where excess water can collect away from roots. Step 2 is odor and moisture control. Sprinkle a thin layer of activated charcoal over the drainage material. In closed systems, charcoal helps reduce stale odors and can improve long-term freshness by binding impurities. Step 3 is soil depth and shaping. Add enough potting mix for your plants, roots, usually 2 to 4 inches in small to medium containers. Instead of a flat surface, sculpt gentle slopes so the layout has depth and perspective when viewed from the front. Step 4 is plant selection and prep. Choose slow-growing, humidity-friendly species for closed terrariums, such as Fittonia, baby fern varieties, and cushion moss. Remove each plant gently from its nursery pot, loosen compacted roots slightly, and trim damaged leaves. Step 5 is planting composition. Start with your focal plant first, usually the tallest or most textured specimen. Then add secondary plants around it in triangular groupings for natural flow. Step 6 is hardscape and finishing details. Add small stones, bark pieces, or driftwood to create pathways, contrast, and scale. Then top exposed soil with patches of moss for a finished look. Decorative elements should support the plants, not dominate them. Step 7 is first watering and humidity calibration. Mist lightly instead of soaking, especially in closed terrariums. You want moist soil, not muddy saturation. Placement and light determine long-term beauty. Put your terrarium in bright, indirect light near a window, but avoid harsh, direct sun that can overheat glass and scorch leaves. Rotate the container every week for even growth and inspect leaves for yellowing or decay. Troubleshooting keeps your terrarium beautiful for months. If leaves are browning, check light and humidity first. If you see mold on soil or decor, reduce moisture, increase ventilation briefly, and remove affected debris. You now have a complete roadmap to build a beautiful, decorative, and sustainable terrarium. Start simple, focus on compatible plants, and let the design evolve naturally. If you create one this week, comment with your container style and plant choices.